Wonderful oversized corner 1-bedroom unit. Upgraded open kitchen, updated bathroom, replaced AC, water heater, appliances, smooth ceilings, super open and bright with an oversized balcony overlooking the tennis courts. Steps to the main pool, clubhouse and fitness center. This unit has it all. Condo dues include water, cable and Wi-Fi. Walk to Target, Publix, Trader Joe's and restaurants, just minutes from the beach, I-95 and downtown Delray. Rent or own, small pet allowed. This is the lowest priced unit currently in the entire subdivision.